This conference will now be recorded.
From today onwards, we are going to start the real sessions. Okay. Say here, extended warehouse management. What are the processes and etc. We have seen. Okay. Now deployment options where extended warehouse management available etc. Okay. Today our topic is deployment options. Deployment options. Normally, SAP EWM is a decentralized package. Decentralized package. Okay. Decentralized means it can be shared by different systems. Okay. How we can see that? We can see several examples. Here we are dealing with SAP ERP and SAP EWM. Two things are there. SAP ERP means it's inventory management, high level. Okay, high level. And EWM means that is warehouse up to bin levels and etc. Okay. Stocks and etc. Last 5 minutes we can use for discussions. Come to here. See here, two systems are there and these are divided. Okay, say here, this horizontal line is there. And this representing, assume that this representing SAP ERP, where inventory management and etc. incorporated within this. This is SAP EWM. If we see here in this box, okay, in this servers, we have one SAP EWM that is connected to SAP ERP. This is calling as a decentralized. Okay, if we see here, this is some ERP somewhere it is there, and this is also somewhere we establish a connectivity. Okay, this is the example of decentralized. This is one example. Another example, say for example, two ERPs are there. Two ERPs. These two ERPs also connected to one EWM. See here, this is the EWM connected to two ERPs, ERP1 and ERP2. This is also called as a decentralized. Okay, I will note down it like this. Decentralized environment. Okay.
The two ERPs means what actually? So both are SAP only?
SAP only. Non-SAP also possible.
Okay. So,
come to here. This is also one of the example first. Okay, decentralized. Now, say here, two EWM environments. Two EWM, please wait. Two EWMs are connected to single ERP. This is also one example of decentralized. Decentralized means one system is one place, another system is another place. Okay, means place means not physical and etc. That is operating environment, this is operating environment. Okay, say here we can see this is one example for decentralized. Say here one data line is there, ERP and EWM. This is also decentralized environment. Okay, one ERP connected to multiple EWM systems, and one EWM is connected to multiple ERP systems. Okay, this is also decentralized. Here, not only SAP ERP, other ERPs also possible. Okay, EWM is that capability. EWM is that capabilities. Okay, now these three are okay for decentralized okay images. And coming to here, embedded is there. Everyone talking about HANA like kind of things. Okay, I will show you. Say here, if we see this image, we can see one CPU symbol with a solid line, another CPU symbol is with dotted line. Means that is just like part of that only. Here also, EWM is please wait. Last 5 minutes we can. Here also, okay, we have EWM is there. Okay, that is embedded within that box. Still, it is having decentralized properties. Even though that is okay part of within the same box. Okay, that is decentralized properties itself. How and when we can see in further sessions. Okay, say here at this point of time, wherever it lies, EWM is decentralized property. Either that is embedded in the same box or else separate boxes. That is there. Now come to here in our case, we are going to deal with SAP to SAP, SAP ERP and SAP EWM. And say here how the systems can be representing in SAP means one three-digit number, three-digit code client. Okay, client. Say for example, how we can representing the system naming and etc. This is client. Say for example, client 300 I am using. Okay, client 300. Say here, numerical, alpha numerical, whatever you can use this one. This is client. This is representing this box representing client 900. Okay, and come to here. This EWM box is representing with client 110. Okay, I am taking our classroom examples only. Say here. These environments are representing by some client code, three-digit client code. Okay, say here, this is separate system, this is separate system. We will have two user IDs. This is one for this one for this one. User ID and password to enter the systems and etc. Okay. Now, if we see here, I want to do transactions between these systems. Means we need to establish a connectivity. Establish a connectivity. One concept is there called RFC in SAP environment. RFC. Okay, RFC stands for remote function calls. Remote function calls. If we read from the right side, say in entire SAP, okay, if we any new terminology and etc. If I observe, try to read from the right side. Okay, it's simple to understanding what is it and etc. Say here remote function calls. Okay, this is new word. Okay, more for most of us, those who are new to SAP, this is new word. If you read from the right side, calling functionalities remotely. Remotely means not here, somewhere it is. We are calling function. Okay. In our case, come to here. Say here, if I sit in the ERP system, What is our remote system? EWM. If I sit in the EWM system, what is our remote system? ERP. So we need to use this RFC functionalities, remote function calls. Okay, say here to work with this remote function calls. Okay, we have one terminology called logical system. Logical system. Name itself logical. Say for example, we have one house that is flat number 225, some Miyapur or something, whatever it may be. Okay, that is realistic address. But if I keep somewhere some Balaji Nivas or else some Balaji Manjil or something title is that is logical. That is logical. Okay, that is not a realistic way as per the records and etc. That is not okay. We cannot use that name in registration documents and etc. We use only plot number or something kind of things. Okay, that is physical. That is logical. Okay, say to work with the this one remote function calls, we need to have some logical system names. For this also, one protocol is there. Protocol means not mandatory. If we follow, that is very easy for all. Okay, this protocol, okay, for each client we maintain one logical system. Say here, come to here. For this also we can manage logical system. This also we manage the logical system. Okay, say here, logical system. For protocol is it's a 10-digit code maximum, 10-digit code. First 3 digits we use the system name. And CLNT one constant client. CLNT means client. And then number, this one, client number. Say for example, as for protocol, okay, system client, this one. Come to here, here I maintain like this, logical systems and etc. I maintain like EH8 is my ERP system name. CLNT client 900 and this is the logical system name. This is the logical system name for this one. Okay, say here like. Now come to here. The system EWM system name is N75 system name N75. Then it turned as like this. I'm following the protocol. System name is N75 CLNT 110. Why we are using this means, okay, while observing that we can easily come to know that which one that system and etc. In our environment, EH8 representing ERP 900 client means if I see this logical system, I can easily identify. Come to here, this C, this system, this logical system, and we assign this logical system to our clients. Say for example, if I write a letter, Balaji Nivas, Miyapur, Hyderabad, it will not reach. Balaji Nivas, plot number 225, Miyapur, Hyderabad, the letter will come. Means we need to assign that logical system to our client. Okay, logical system to our client. See here, need to assign, and whatever discussing today is for our understanding purpose only. Please do anything changes in the systems. Okay, you cannot have any authorizations in real-time projects or in SAP. Some basis consultants, some is there, they can set up the systems and etc. Okay, that is their duty, their role and etc. Their question is there, how we are discussing today, how we are wasting 1 hour time. I will give one example. You want to purchase one car, if you went to car showroom, your purpose is you have driving only, but that executive can explain you what is the engine capacity, what is the fuel tank capacity, and where the choke is come, where this one is come, clutch is come, okay, what is the BHP and etc. Why? While driving, okay, if that is any breakdown, if the any breakdown will happen, what you can do, instead of blanking call to that nearby mechanic, you can say that, okay, say here clutch is not working, okay, clutch cable got damage, or else the accelerator is not working, like kind of things. You need to give small inputs. The same thing applies to our today's session as well. Okay, if you joined as a EWM consultant, these are clients who are using some RFC is failed, this may be the error and etc. You can contact to basis consultant. For that region, we are discussing. Okay, I hope all understood. Okay. Need to assign logical system to client. This logical system and client are relation always 1:1. It means one logical system I can assign for only one client. One client is having only one this one, logical system. Here I'm noting logical system client is equal to 1:1, both way directions. Both way directions. Okay. Say here. Now we have logical systems. Now I want to send it the data like that. As of now, there is no this one. See here. As of now, there is no link. Is there. Say for example, if I sit in this ERP system, what is our destination to send the data? EWM system. If I sit in the EWM system, what is our destination to send the data? ER for sending and receiving. Now we need to establish connectivity. Okay. One concept is there called RFC destination. RFC destination. Okay. To execute the remote function calls, what is your destination? To and fro system this one. ERP EWM, EWM to ERP. Now we can establish it. If we see here, this one, okay, say here, this is from ERP to EWM. Okay, now one more we can maintain. Now see here, this green line is RFC destination from EWM to ERP, and red line is ERP to EWM, okay, RFC destination. Say here, RFC destination. We need to establish. For that also, we give the logical system name only. Say here. Come to here, red. Say this one. Understand this? Okay. Say here, this one. Red symbol. This one. Say here. This is in ERP system. This is in ERP system. Say here. This. See here, red color, what is written? N75 CLNT 110. That is RFC destination. Where it is there? First see this image. This one. Where is this one? Above the EWM line means this one. So this is the setup we require. Logical systems, RFC destinations, and etc. This is decentralized environment. First we can see the decentralized, then go with the S4HANA, embedded, and etc. Okay. Now come to here. Say for those who are new to SAP, this is calling as logon pad. Logon pad or else SAP GUI. Geographical user interface. This one called geographical user interface. Okay, or else logon pad. We can use it as logon pad. This one. We need to install this in our system. and servers are in somewhere in the database clouds and etc. We are going to use first decentralized ERP and EWM. Go to here representing it. Go to change mode. If we go to change mode, we can see where the servers are available and etc. Within that application server, what is the instance number and etc. You can find this one. First, I am connecting to ERP system. Double click on it, and no need to install the entire SAP and etc. in this. Only GUI log on pad. Normal laptops also support for this. Okay, but please make sure your internet speed and etc. Go to here. Say here, this is the screen. Okay, here for this ERP system. Okay, for this ERP system, 900 is the client name. 900. Here we can use user ID and passwords. User ID and password. If we see here, easy access. Read from the right side. The access is okay, easy. Normally in SAP projects, okay, we can see some different levels of users. Okay, business users. Business users means say one client is there, XYZ automobile company. Within this client, different departments we can see. Okay, those users use the SAP to run their applications. Okay, say here that is one level. Super users. Okay, super users, core users means above level of the normal users. Okay, normally they can resolve their tickets at their premises. And though that XYZ automobile company given contract to any consultancy like other IT companies. Okay, means if they are getting any errors and etc., high level errors or configuration changes and etc., those can be done by this one IT companies, IT consulting companies. Okay, say here this one. And coming to here, SAP terminologies. Configuration, one is there. Customization, another one is there. Customization. Customization, configuration and customization. Why SAP is like almost monopoly in ERP means, okay, SAP is given documentation very well for all the modules. There are about 150 plus modules are there. Each module, each node, okay, they have given some documentation. Say for example, if I tick, I'm activating a checkbox and etc. We should know the what is impact of that. We cannot do blindly. Okay, for the documentation. Okay, so that is SAP is monopoly. Configuration means they have given for each business processes some sample data. Okay, may or may not fit for us. May or may not fit for us. Okay, say we can copy the data and we run the transactions or something. Customization means, say for example, it may not okay fulfill our business processes and etc. We go for the customizations. Okay, we apply some logic for some changes and etc. kind of thing. Very simple customization means, say for example, you want to purchase one jeans pant. You went to one of the shopping mall. Everything waist. Okay, everything is fit, but length is some 2 to 3 inches or 4 inches larger than okay your requirement. What you can do? Okay, you ask that executive to cut some length of the tailor made. The same thing here. Okay, if the 100% fulfilling this SAP package, we go for the customizations. Okay, so we can call this as configuration and customization technologies. Okay, and one more is there. Okay, in SAP built this SAP ERP, either EWM or whatever it may be, SAP entire SAP package is built with three things. The first one is the definitions. Next one, definitions means we define the objects, either a master data objects or org structure or whatever it may be. Next one is the assignments. Say for example, okay, say two objects are there, A and B. We need to assign that object. Okay, assign and determinations. Means during our transactions, we determine those relevant objects and etc. with some control parameters. Okay, so entire SAP built with these three things: definitions, assignments, determinations. Okay, very simple to understand it. Now come to here, EG access. This screen normally used by normal users. They run their applications and etc. Okay, consultant. What we are discussing, this training is for consultant. Okay, we are going to be work as EWM functional consultants. For that, they have given some implementation guide where we need to do changes and etc. kind of things. Okay, say here, go to one transaction is there, SPRO, one transaction. This is available in all SAPs. Transaction is nothing but to access some screen or process or application, we can use the transaction code. Okay, SPRO. Go to here, SPRO. Say here. Here it is saying that SAP reference IMG. IMG stands for implementation guide. Almost 90% SAP only this one guide us what you are doing, what is the impact if you configure these and etc. Okay, implementation guide reference. Click on here. Say this is the display implementation guide. Here we can see, okay, all this one. These hierarchy symbols are calling as nodes, NODES, node. Say for example, if I want to create anything, say for example, go to logistic general, one is there. Just for idea, sir, this is not relevant for EWM. Okay, logistic general, say here material master is there. If we open this configuring material master and beside it one documentation, say here this one document, IMD documentation. If we open it, you can get in this step you make the configurations required for processing business transactions in material management. Before you create master data, you have completely read through the chapter entitled My Material Master. Say here for each and everything they have given documentation. Okay, say for example, come to here configure master, this one metal master. If we open it, you can see here this one. Say documentation they have given. Okay, like this. Okay, we are into ERP now. It is representing by 900 client. Now we are going to EWM environment. Say here EWM environment is there. You can see IP address and instance number where it is located and etc. Okay, say open this. Here 110 client we are going to use. Okay, say here also we use the user IDs and passwords. We can see here also easy access. SPRO transaction is there. SPRO transaction, enter it. Say this one here also. Okay. See here 110 client. M75 system name you can find out M75 client name is 110. That's why we use that logical system name for easily identifications and etc. Okay. Now, very first thing, one company is there. They are doing other modules like materials management, sales and distributions, financial accounting, and etc. modules. Now they want to go with EWM. They want to go with EWM. In that case, what is the required thing? First one. Okay. Say SAP, how they do the business and etc. Just like our DTH services. Say for example, if we go purchase the DTS, okay, cable DTH, they give us basic plan, some 200 or 300 per month and etc. Normal Doordarshan channels and some basic channels. If I want to go with some new entertainment channel, I want to purchase new package. If I want to go with any okay sports channels, I want to pay and etc. Like SAP also initially they sell the basic package. Okay, now I want to go with any additional functionalities and etc. We need to pay additionally for the SAP and get that packages and etc. Now here one company is an automobile company. They are using logistic model. Continuous management. Yes. Now they want to go for the EWM implementation to extending their operations. Okay. For that, one business function is required. Okay. One business function need to purchase from the SAP. One business function is required. Okay. That name is LOG underscore LE underscore integration. Underscore integration. This, okay. This business functionality is we need to activate it without paying additionally. It's not possible. Where we can in ERP we need to this one. For that transaction code is SFW. This is the transaction. Okay. We cannot have any authorization projects or something. Okay. I will show. Okay. For me, that is there in the system. I am going to show it. SFW. Come to here. This is the menu bar. Okay. Here we can enter this one. SFW. Enter it. Say here carefully. Okay. Carefully. Only reversible business functions can be deactivated. For this region, activate only required business functions. In case of doubt, read the corresponding documentation. Means whenever we purchase anything, SAP provides us some documentation to us. If we want to go with this any business functionalities, if we want to touch this, you need to go read the documentation properly. Okay. Say continue. Say here we can see in this screen enterprise business functions. Open this. Say here scroll down. After some okay business functions you can see in alphabetical order. Ours is LOG underscore LE underscore integration. The activation means this bulb okay blinking. Okay, yeah, not activated business function means normal like this. LOG L series. Already activated within the system. Say here this one. This. Okay. This is the first one. Very beginning we need to activate. Okay. We cannot EWM consultant cannot touch this all this. Some basis architects, not consultant level architects. They can do this. Okay. Say here. Okay. Once after this, okay, we are into ERP. Our intention is to connect with the EWM environment. Our intention. That is somewhere else. This is 900 client. That is 110 client. We need to establish a connectivity. For that, go to IMG setup. Go to IMG setup. Scroll down. Integration with other SAP components. Okay, this is normally ERP. Other SAP components. We are going to integrate with other SAP components. Okay, say here from the bottom, the second one. Click on here. For which component you want to integrate. Here several are there. See here. Supplier life cycle, APO, IBP, transportation management, etc. Extended warehouse management. We are going to this one. Open it. Basic settings for setting up the system landscape. Basic settings for setting up the system landscape. First one is system setup. Then we integrate ARM structures, master data, transactions. That is separate. First high level is system landscape setup. Go to here. Open this. Name logical system. Already there here. Okay, just we can see. Go to here, logical systems. See here, caution, the table is cross-client. Okay, we cannot do any modifications and etc. Earlier, some servers we got scrapped. Okay, users unnecessary changing all these things and etc. Then we restricted with authorizations. Maybe you people, okay, cannot get authorizations. Just for our understanding purposes, go to here, selection by contents, logical system. Say here, this one. Two logical system at a time. I want to append again logical system. Say here, this one. Here I am selecting all. Just we are okay. Some entries, 399 entries are there. We are going through our own logical systems only. EH8 CLNT 900, N75 CLNT 110. Say here. Choose these two logical systems. We are going to work. These two. Okay. Now come back. Once after maintaining the logical systems, assign logical system to a client. Okay. Please note that here I'm not creating and anything. Okay. Just I'm showing. Okay. See here. Assign logical system to a client. Go to here. Cross client. Some this one. What is our this one client 900? Go to first 900. Open. 900 is connected to EH8 CLNT 900. Next one, say here, a letter. I want to write a letter. We require to and from. Say here, this one is there. Okay, what is the from address? ERP system. That is 900 is there. To address EWM. That is also need to maintain large address. Come to here, one there. Say here, this one. Okay, say here. Now, we need to establish a destination, RFC destination. Okay, come back. Set up RFC destination. Okay, set up RFC destination. Go to here. We are into 900. And say here, different kinds of RFC destination settings are there. If we are dealing with SAP to SAP, then need to go with these other connections. Okay, say here. Go to here. N75 CLNT 110 is ours. Scroll down. This one. Double click on it. Say here. This is the RFC destination. If we see here under administration tab, who is created, when is created, you can see here. Technical settings. Come to here where this EWM is available. What is the target IP, host, and etc. You can see here. Now log on and security. You can see one user of client 110. Why this user and etc. Say for example, I have offices at Hyderabad and Bangalore. I want to send some courier. Not okay, not office address is not enough for us. Who is going to receive that? The Bangalore office. If I send a letter from Hyderabad to, say for example, okay, one manager, delivery manager. What I can do that? Delivery manager, XYZ company, Bangalore, pin code like this. That is going to that delivery manager. Say for example, they want to send some letter, any okay, dispatch manager or something is there, another manager, okay, XYZ office, Hyderabad, pin code like kind of this. Okay, say here, whatever it will be, that manager can be received under that. Like here, I am in 900 client, I am in 900 client, I am going to send some data to, okay, 110 client, EWM system, who is going to receive? This RFC user of client is one. Now, our connection is working fine or not? How we can see means here one connection test is button. Okay, go to here, say everything is working. Say log on 14 milliseconds, 0 KB 2 millisecond, 10 KB 2 millisecond kind of thing. If we have any errors, okay, say we can get like this RFC destination errors. Like screens you can see red lines, red lines you can see. Okay. If any error is there, you can see red signals. Now this is from ERP to EWM. Go to PPT. This one is okay. RFC destination we have seen under. Now we go to EWM environment. From here also we need to maintain RFC destination. This is two-way communication, sending and receiving. Okay. Now we log off from the ERP system and go to EWM environment. Go to SAP login pad, EWM. Okay.
Sir, if it is embedded system like S/4HANA, do we need this setup?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, we see in tomorrow.
Okay.
Come to here, we are into 110 client. 110 client. Wherever the differences are there, we are going to cover. Okay, yes, etc. If similarities are there, that time also I am saying that this process is same in both environments. Come to here 110. Our motto is after completing the course, we should be able to work on either that environment or this environment. Okay, projects wise, decentralized projects are more compared to S/4HANA embedded. Okay, if we see the sharing of the EWM project, at least 80-20, 80 decentralized projects, 20% S/4HANA embedded projects are there. Okay, come to here 110 client. That is HANA embedded. These are some fancy word in the market. But coming to here, I am giving one logic is there. Say for example, BMW company or Ford company. They are since 30 years they are using SAP. They are doing logistic environment business and etc. They are in the ERP, SAP ERP. Okay. Now they want to implement EWM for their warehouses in any country or something. Okay. They cannot change their existing ERP and etc. They cannot change. For this a small thing, why they can change the entire setup? So simple, they can purchase a EWM box and they incorporated link per minute. That is first case. Major are decentralized. Say for BMW project, Vodafone, Ford, these kind of things. Say for example, one company is there. First time they are going with SAP. In that case, SAP is recommending or to sell this product and etc. This S/4HANA and etc. kind of things. Okay, for the new customers, giant companies still they are using decentralized project. Now come to here. In 110 client is there. SPR. I am the implementation guide. Okay, come to here. SEM extended warehouse management. Open this node. SEM extended warehouse management, SEM basis. Come to SEM basis. Okay, click on here. Integration. Click on here. Basic settings for creating the system landscape. Open here. Name logical systems. Here also we need to maintain the name logical system. Go to here. Say here EH8. Okay, 900 client and 110 client. Both you can see here. Now assign logical system to a client. Come to here. Say here. First 110 client we have a look. Say here 110 client we can see here. 900 client we can see here. Say here 900 client. Okay. Say here this one. Now RFC destination. Set up RFC destinations. Go to here. Here also web connections. I am sitting in EWM. Then what is our RFC destination? EH8 CLFT 900. Go to here. EH8 CLFT 900. Double click on it. Okay. Administration. Where it is there. Technical setting. What is the IP address? Target host. And log on and security. See here. RFC user 900 client. In 900 client, what we have seen? 110 clients RFC user. Same letter manager, Hyderabad office, Bangalore office, like that. Connection test. Go to here. Say this. Okay. Two-way communication. Apart from that, here one is a business system group, one concept in the EWM. Is available in EWM business system group. This one, this significance we are going to see in further sessions. Come to here. From here, how many ERP systems you are connected? Either that is a ERP, SAP ERP or non-SAP can be defined through business system. Business system. Say here, from here, how many ERP systems? Only one. Okay, that is representing by business system. Come to here, maintain business system group. Maintain business system. Open it. Say here, BSG 900 it is here. BSG 900. Business system group underscore 900. Now come to here. Assign logical system and Q type. Q type word just ignore at this point of time. Come to here. Here BSG 900 we have assigned for this. And if we have 1:1 relationship, please note last 5 minutes. Okay, if we have 1:1 relation, same business system group, one business system group is required for EWM as well. Okay, in that case we can use this. If we have 1:1 only, we can use it. Otherwise, we need to create a new one. Now here one indicator is there. Come to here, ignore the second line. Come to here, one BHG underscore 900 that is connected to this logical system. Here SAP indicator. If we see that SAP indicator means my EWM is connected to SAP system. Okay, if you joined in any project and etc. In this node, if you observe blank SAP indicator means your EWM is connected to some non-SAP ERP as well. Okay, so Q types and etc. ignore at this point. When time comes, I will tell. Okay, so like we can establish the connectivities in decentralized environment. Okay, now embedded tomorrow I will show you. Okay, embedded tomorrow I will show you. After that we go with RL. 5 minutes I will show. Okay, we have 12 minutes, right? Okay. Come to here embedded. Everything in same only in embedded.
Like HANA.
Come to here. We have one embedded system. This is embedded system. Okay. Say if we see here 800 only there, client 800. But EWM also available here. ERP also available here. How the users can control? Means in entire SAP we have some authorizations. Okay. Say some normal logistic general consultant cannot access the EWM functionalities, and the EWM consultant cannot access the logistic functionalities and etc. Inbuilt authorizations they can provide. Now come to here, go to this our slide. Even though this is embedded here, this is having decentralized properties. We need to have two logical systems here as well. One is main logical system. This one. One is main logical system. Another one is dummy logical system we need to maintain for EWM, sir. Why EWM by born? Okay, by born it's a decentralized properties. Even though that is embedded, that portion is separate. We are connecting through dummy logic. But as for our statement, 1:1. Then how manage? As for our statement, 1:1. Client assigned to main logical system only. Main logical system. Number 2 is dummy logical system. No client assignment. Okay, this one. But how we can establish RFC destinations and etc. Inbuilt one program is there. Okay, okay. Okay, so tomorrow I will overload again for you in the beginning. Tomorrow I will repeat this. Okay, embedded and etc. Any doubts regarding today's decentralized? Okay, please go through video. Minute by minute, you will get some clarity.
Please go to PPT, sir. I have a small doubt.
Hello.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Please go to PPT, sir. Please go to PPT. I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, as you said, not this one. Yeah, as you said, decentralized environment means, for example, I'm using SAP WM server. Now I want to migrate WM to EWM. So that time we are using a decentralized environment, correct? Through
Correct.
RFC call.
Yes.
So in this case, coming to embedded system. So embedded system, there are WM and EWM both servers available, right?
Correct.
Okay. What is centralized?
In S4 HANA, it is inbuilt. The EWM also part of that inbuilt actually. But I think tomorrow he's going to explain.
Okay.
Properties are
And,
decentralized. Even though that is inbuilt,
Okay.
that is separate. Even though that is inbuilt, that is separate part. Looking wise, it is
Okay.
inbuilt, but that is having decentralized properties only.
Mhm.
Not part
But
of like
within one server it is there, but we need to again still connect it actually through
correct,
logical client connections. Huh?
correct, sir. Perfect, sir.
Yeah. And if you go to the slide 5 again, so the data, I mean, if you have decentralized, okay, if you connect it, so ERP and EWM, the data transfer will be real time through RFC,
Correct,
right? Immediately, as soon as we create it, it will be
correct,
available in the other server. Okay.
correct. Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss elaborately embedded and then we go with significance of our
What,
perspective.
so, what, so what is centralization environment, sir?
Centralized means normal WM model.
Can you go to the slide number 7? Slide number 7. Okay. So here, connecting to more than one ERP to one EWM, right? Centralized. So,
No, 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 no.
decentralized to
One
centralized.
thing, sir. One thing, sir. Here also this is decentralized only. Centralized means SAP,
Mm.
MM, WM model, everything is there, right? The WM college is a centralized.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So we can connect EWM with multiple ERP servers, like, but it
Correct.
should be a SAP only, not other
Correct.
than this ERP, because we can't connect other ERPs like Oracle or any other.
Correct.
Only ERP, SAP only we can able to. Okay, fine.
No, 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 no. Wrong, sir. Okay.
Uh,
Not only SAP ERP, we can able to connect whatever it may be the ERP. EWM.
okay. You mentioned SAP ERP, no? That's the reason I thought, okay. So any other ERP?
For our example, here I explained about
Okay.
business system group. One SAP indicator is there, right? That one.
Okay. So it is compatible even with other servers as well, other ERPs as well.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. 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 Good. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet and discuss.